Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my channel The Food Miles. I wish to make a naturally blue colored ice cream. So got butterfly pea flowers which give beautiful blue color and tried. But the trial went in vain. We'll definitely come back with a successful recipe. I had to make a blue vanilla ice cream, so here it is. Let's begin. These are toasted almonds. I just toasted them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 8 minutes. As they are crisp now, it's easy to crush them. Transfer them to a zip pouch and crush. Now in a bowl, we'll be taking around 3/4 cup of condensed milk. I have shared the link to how to make condensed milk at home in the description box. To this, we'll add half tablespoon vanilla essence and a few drops of blue liquid food color. Mix them well and set aside. In another bowl, whip 1 cup of cold whipping cream to stiff peaks. Now the last step, mix in the whipped cream into the condensed milk mixture in batches. Take an airtight container or you can cling wrap it as I did. Layer the ice cream mixture and the toasted chopped almonds alternatively. Now let this set in the freezer overnight or minimum 8 hours. This ice cream is so easy to make, you need not have an ice cream churner for this. You'll notice it doesn't have a single ice crystals. We all love ice cream, so dedicating this lovely blue vanilla ice cream to all the beautiful moms out there and also to my mom who loves ice cream like anything. Happy Mother's Day! Thank you, stay safe, bye.